Hello, literature lovers. Today we are going to talk about the Great Plague of London. I always talk about that the historical events always interrupt in the literature because literature is somewhat mirror of the society and all the events and socio-economic condition affect literature. So, in that context, I am discussing a very important historical event that is the Great Plague of London. It took place in London in 1665 and 1666. The disease came from Holland, which is Netherlands now, spread by flies that lived in black rats. The disease spread easily because it was summer, weather was extremely hot. Citizens used to throw out the rubbish into the street. Wealthy people, included the king, moved away, and that helped to spread the plague to other parts of the country. At that time, it was considered God's punishment, and people believed that disease was a kind of punishment, retribution of sins against God, such as greed, blasphemy, and fornication, etc. So, to overcome the plague, they asked for God's forgiveness. These were the typical dress of the plague doctors to stay away from the disease. You can see we can easily collect with today's lifestyle and condition. We can talk about it. The plague doctors were powerless against the disease. You can see we are also powerless right now against this disease. And they tried to protect themselves by wearing special uniform, a mask which fully covered their head and neck, and two glass eyes, a bleak stuffed with herbs to purify the air. They breathed in leather gloves to protect their hands and a long gown made out of thick material which was covered with wax. The plague doctors and nurses were hired to visit and record the sick. Houses were were marked with red cross, and dogs were suspected of carrying plagues. About 40,000 dogs and 80,000 cats were killed. So 1665 was London's worst epidemic. About 100,000 people died. Then, September 1st, 1666, the Great Fire of London occurred. Although it is not a good thing, but that destroyed the center of the London but helped to kill some of the rats and flies that carried the plague. So this is how plague was. And the plague affected the theatre too. And the famous Globe Theatre, which was built in 1599, akin to prostitution, and theatres were closed in order to prevent the spread of the disease. Actors and actresses could not get money. The actors had no idea when the theatres would open again. Shakespeare started to write poems instead of plays. So you can see right now we can easily connect with the world with that kind of disease, and same things are happening nowadays. That is the reason I thought to talk about this thing. I hope you must have got your overall perspective towards it. And do share your views in the comment section. Thanks for listening.